Imagine a classroom where every learner thrives. In this video, we'll explore differentiated instruction strategies. This approach ensures every student's needs are met. Differentiated instruction recognizes that learners come from diverse backgrounds. They have different readiness levels, interests, and learning profiles. Instead of a one-size-fits-all model, we adapt our teaching methods. First, let's understand the theoretical rationale behind differentiation. It starts with equity. Every pupil must access rigorous content. We design pathways that allow all students to succeed. Next, we focus on three main goals: equity of access, maximized growth, and sustained high expectations. Each goal supports the other. We raise standards while meeting diverse needs. Data-driven instruction is crucial to differentiation. Teachers collect information about each learner's progress. This data informs our teaching adjustments, ensuring we address each student's needs effectively. Now, let's explore the dimensions of differentiation. We can adapt our teaching based on readiness, interest, and learning profiles. 1. Readiness refers to a student's current mastery level. We can adjust task complexity to support skill development. 2. Interest-based differentiation taps into students' passions, enhancing engagement and ownership of learning. 3. Learning profiles consider each student's preferences. This includes preferred learning styles and any special educational needs. 4. Differentiating by product allows students to demonstrate understanding in varied ways. Examples include written assignments, presentations, or creative projects. Next, let's look at practical strategies for implementing differentiation. 1. Assessment-informed grouping uses data to form flexible groups, focusing on specific instructional goals. 2. Tiered assignments keep learning aligned with core objectives while adapting complexity to individual readiness. 3. Scaffolding provides temporary support. This makes challenging tasks manageable for all learners. 4. Curriculum compacting allows advanced students to move quickly through lessons, spending more time on enriching tasks. 5. Multimodal instruction presents content through various formats, ensuring all learners can engage meaningfully. 6. Choice boards let students select tasks based on their interests and readiness. 7. Differentiating homework reinforces skills in a way that aligns with each student's needs. 8. Language and cultural responsiveness enriches learning for diverse backgrounds. Data drives effective differentiation. We analyze student performance to tailor our teaching continuously. Start by analyzing assessment data. Identify common needs and form purposeful groups. Adjust strategies based on students' progress and maintain mobility between groups. Effective communication with students and parents is essential. Sharing assessment findings supports a collaborative learning environment. Now, let's discuss challenges. Effective differentiation requires planning time and teacher expertise. Schools must prioritize professional development in differentiation techniques. Resource constraints can also present challenges. Utilizing universally designed learning strategies can help bridge gaps in available materials. Implementing differentiation makes teaching impactful, ensuring every learner grows. As educators, it is vital to blend theory with practical strategies. In summary, differentiation is not an add-on. It's a cornerstone of high-quality teaching. With structured strategies and data-driven decision-making, we enable all learners to flourish. Ready to transform your classroom? Start implementing differentiated instruction strategies today. Share your experiences with us in the comments and subscribe for more educational insights.